today let's start with chapter number 13, that is the world of growing knowledge. So let's study about the growing knowledge. So imagine the world without books. We should have not been able to learn our ancestors or about glorious past. Man observed and learned new things and he grew more intelligent. He did not want to lose what he had learned but wanted to go to extreme generation. Earlier it was all done orally, but men learned so fast that he could neither grasp all it nor pass it. The need to record knowledge arose, and this is the point when man's story about writing began. Right, the story of writing. Long before men started to write, so he had begun to draw. The art of drawing and painting came much before the art of writing. Men drew pictures of animals, which he came across. Such paintings are found even today. They are drawn on the walls of the caves, and the earliest of the writing by men were pictorial in nature. Such script was simple to read but very difficult to write. To write them down, we required what lot of time. With experience and need, these pictures were simplified and become more symbolic, and gradually picture become symbols and which begin signs for the world. Right, the earliest writing were found in Egypt and Mesopotamia. तहाँ वेस्ट एशिया में मिलती थी. In Egypt, one can still find ancient tombs of the king, जो क्या contain करता था pictorial script, and Mesopotamia writing were done on the earthen tablet with perhaps sharp edges knife. So apart from pictorial script were being thought of and evolved elsewhere. The script of China, Korea, Japan were based on pictures. Examples of pictorial script. In India, जो oldest script है वो was during the Indus Valley civilization. It was found on the seals which used in those days. We have not able to decipher the script. जिसे हम Brahmini script कहते हैं. And they are like Devanagari, which is based on sound. Apart from Devanagari, we also use Arabic and Persian scripts in our country. So story of number. Number are also used dated back in olden times. Men as a hunter, they only wanted to identify animals of their names, and he had to draw the same number of animals he saw. Right? In most languages, counting and numbering from 1 to 10 was common, and one believed that early men's fingers came in very handy to tell the number of his step. This made count more easily, and the way of counting first evolved in India. और जो concept of zero है वो कहाँ born हुआ था? इंडिया में ही हुआ था. ठीक है, they named these number as Hinsa, which meant India, as Arab traveled to Europe and other parts of the world. They carried along with them concept of Hinsa. Now the art of printing. The first printing of any kind was done by Chinese. At the time, books were written by hands. So they were scarce and they have had to make, so people could read and had books to learn. Then it took nearly thousands of years before any real change was applied in the method, which used to reproduce written word. This was Johannes Gutenberg. ये क्या है? एक जर्मन प्रिंटर है. Explored the idea of using movable matter. He printed the first book, जिसे हम famous Gutenberg's Bible कहते हैं. Printing soon became the first means of mass communication. The hands of more people faster and more cheaply than ever. The story of paper. Men had creating writing material before invented paper. The first ever material used for writing was skin of birds, leaves of palm trees, and cotton. The first paper was developed in Egypt, in Nile Delta. Reeds grow. In local language, reed is called papyrus. The Egyptian cook stands to papyrus plant. They flattened them. But what happened? It was not a paper. Paper was first developed in China. कहाँ develop हुआ था? China में, from the art of paper making spread to Europe and England. Nowadays, paper is one of the world's most important industrial product. Right? Book, magazine, newspaper, सब किस पे print होता है? Paper पे. Braille script, there was a system of engraving letters on blocks of wood. So the blind people could make them out on their fingers, and person fingertips are very sensitive. So in 1829, a man called Louis Braille was blind himself, वो अंधे थे, and was a teacher of the blind, developed the system. So the Braille system consists of raised dot. Braille alphabet consists of different arrangements of dots. आप देखेंगे ऐसे अलग अलग dots होते थे, उसको हम raised और उनको touch करके वो बताते. Literacy and progress. Today world is in the world of competition. Men had progress in industry. उनको knowledge मिल गई है, right? And in order to gain knowledge, it is essential to be literate. If a country has to progress its people, then it has to be literate and knowledgeable. Right? Government of India has started many literary programs. जैसे adult education for illiterate people. सर्व शिक्षा अभियान 2001 में. डिस्ट्रिक्ट प्राइमरी एजुकेशन कब आया था? 1994 में. और मिड डे मील प्रोग्राम कब हुआ था? 1995. Right? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.